So what's up everybody, welcome to part 4 of the video. We'll be solving number 5 questions. So they say we should solve for x in number 5. So we should solve for x in log base 4 bracket 5x square plus 9x plus 14 is equals to 2. So remember, the first thing I said we should do is to make sure they are of the same base. But we don't have a base in this side. Our 2 is not to a base, so we can use this way. I don't know if you have watched part 1. I told you how to get rid of a log when you have something like this. You see, we have a log entity is equals to 2. Here we have a log entity is equals to x. So we can apply the knowledge of doing this inside here. So to do that, we'll have 4 to raised to the power of 2 is equals to 5x square plus 9x plus 14. 4 to the power of 2 is 16. That is 4 times 4. That is 16. Because 5x square plus 9x plus 14. Wow, this is looking like a quadratic equation. So we collect like terms. We have 5x square plus 9x plus 14. When this 16 goes over the minus sign, comes a minus 16 is equals to 0. I like having my equation on the left hand side equals to 0. So that's why I did like that. So let's go on. We have 5x square plus 9x is equals to minus 2 is equals to 0. That is thing about mathematics. You need to be very dynamic. You need to expect anything. A quadratic equation can come into your work to play. You just need to be open-minded to any kind of twist. So we have this. I don't know if you know quadratic equations. I'm going to do that next in my next video, my next topic. So for those who understand, when we multiply this, give us 10x squared. Don't worry, if you don't understand, I will teach it in my next video. But for now, I can't teach it right now because we need to keep on moving forward in this logarithmic equation. If I teach quadratic equation now, we'll just divert to something else. So we have this. Our factors will be 10 and 1. We have plus and minus, that is big and small. This is my own method of actually doing it. So you can have your own, you can form your own method of doing it. This is where I learned it on my own. So I might teach, if you want, I will just teach you in case if you understand my method. This 10 minus, those are the factors. We have 5x square plus 10x minus x minus 2 is equals to 0. You can say 5x squared plus 10x, put them inside bracket, minus x minus 2 is equals to 0. What is common? What is common? 5x, which will give us x plus 5. When we factorize out 5x, because of we factorize out 5x from here, we have 2 minus, what do we have here? We have x. What is common here is 1, so there is an invisible 1. Minus times minus is plus 2 is equals to 0. We have 5x minus 1 is equals to 0, or x plus 2 is equals to 0. So there's a fun thing about quadratic equation. You can know if what you are doing is actually correct by looking at these two brackets here. What you get in this first bracket is the same thing of what you get in this second bracket. So that's how you just know that what you are doing is correct. So let me solve on. We have 5x minus 1 is equals to 0. Collect like 10. 5x is equals to 1. 1 will go, minus 1 will go over, equality sign comes to 1. So by looking for x, divide both sides by 5, we have x is equals to 1 all over 5. Or x plus 2 is equals to 0. So 2 can go over here, or positive 2 can go over here, while x is equals to minus 2. So therefore x is equals to 1 over 5 or minus 2. So please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Sorry, I don't know what's wrong with me. Please add a comment below if you think there's a way I can improve more on my videos. Thank you.